content generation is always be recording.
Yeah. You know the messed up part about all the content nowadays? It's way too damn streamlined and short. And even the long content is boring. Like if you go back like 2 years, 5 years, 8 years, 10 years ago, content was fun. People put their heart and soul into it. They give a damn about what they were recording. They had to meticulously sort through a library of games in order to find out what they thought was the best one that people would actually enjoy. Nowadays, it's like people don't give a fuck. They'll play any new indie garbage that comes out. It doesn't matter if the developer put like 8 months or 3 years or 2 days into the development. Whether the development team is 30 plus people or one guy in his grandparents' basement. Like, content creators used to care a lot. I don't know, man. Yeah, now it's all about that sweet, sensual, smelly, smoky scent of ad revenue. Yeah, fill your coin purse. Don't make people enjoy what you make. I hate that. And a lot of the really good content creators that I used to follow or like watch all their stuff, they're a shell of their former self. I like how some of them make excuses too. It's like, nah, you don't miss the old me. You miss like the different color hair. You miss the game I got bored of playing 10 years ago. You miss the old setup. You miss blah 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 blah. No, I miss the you used to be. That's what it is. It's like back in the day, you were just a bright-eyed new person on the platform trying to find your way and figure out what like community you can be a part of and see what you can do. Nowadays, you have no soul. And that's worst case scenario. I mean, there's a bunch of other ways they could go with it that are still pretty crappy. It's just terrible.
The incredible Sarah O'Brien out of the blue.
Ooh, you know what would be cool? And I don't know if they take requests, but if somebody requested Through the Fire and the Flames, but on these instruments, could you imagine Through the Fire and the Flames? Bardcore edition. It does exist on YouTube already, but yeah.